What if your first day at work is tomorrow? And someone says, "Welcome aboard." Would you know how to answer? What if your manager asks, "How's everything going so far?" Would you feel confident or nervous? Don't worry. In today's English Easy Practice lesson, I'll help you speak naturally on your first day at work. We'll practice real English together. I'll ask you questions. You'll answer out loud. We'll repeat useful sentences together. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel much more confident speaking English at work. Let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Michael. Welcome back to another English Easy Practice lesson. Today's topic is first day at work. Imagine this. Today is your very first day at a new company. You're excited. Maybe you're a little nervous. That's completely normal. Today, we'll practice the English you really need. Take your time. Speak slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Every sentence you practice makes you stronger. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine you just walked into your new office. The receptionist smiles at you. What do you say? Repeat after me. Good morning. Again. Good morning. Very nice. Now say, "My name is Alex." You can also use your own name. Pause the video if you want. Now answer me. What's your name? Say it out loud. Great job. Now let's continue. Someone says, "Welcome to the team." A natural answer is, "Thank you. I'm happy to be here." Repeat after me. Thank you. I'm happy to be here. Excellent. Now another situation. Someone asks, "Is this your first day?" Answer naturally. "Yes, today is my first day." Again, "Yes, today is my first day." Perfect. Now let's learn a useful expression. Nice to meet you. Native speakers use this all the time. Repeat. Nice to meet you. Now say, "It's nice to meet everyone." Excellent. Here's another common question. Where are you from? Try answering with your own country. I'm from America. Or, I'm from Brazil. Or wherever you live. Your turn. Say it now. Wonderful. Now let's continue. Someone asks, "What do you do?" You can answer, "I'm a new employee." Or, "I work in customer service." Or, "I'm part of the marketing team." Repeat after me. I'm a new employee. Excellent pronunciation. Let's practice another useful sentence. I'm looking forward to working with you. This means you're excited to work together. Repeat slowly. I'm looking forward to working with you. One more time. I'm looking forward to working with you. Fantastic. Now let's practice a short conversation with yourself. I'll ask. You answer. Ready? How are you today? Now answer. Great. Next question. Are you excited? Very good. What department do you work in? Excellent. You're doing great. Keep speaking. Remember, confidence comes from practice, not perfection. Great job. You've already learned some useful English. Now let's learn more words and expressions that people use on their first day at work. Word 1. Employee. An employee is a person who works for a company. Example, I'm a new employee. Repeat after me. I'm a new employee. Excellent. Word 2. Manager. A manager is the person who leads a team. Example, my manager is very friendly. Repeat, my manager is very friendly. Word 3. Coworker. A coworker is someone you work with. Example, my coworkers are very helpful. Repeat, my coworkers are very helpful. Word 4. Meeting. A meeting is a time when people talk about work. Example, we have a meeting at 10. Repeat, we have a meeting at 10. Word 5. Break. A break is time to relax. Example, I'm taking a short break. Repeat, I'm taking a short break. Excellent. Now let's use these words in real English. My manager introduced me to my coworkers. We had a short meeting. Now it's time for a coffee break. Fantastic. Repeat after me now. It's your turn. Listen carefully, then repeat exactly like me. Ready? Good morning. Nice to meet you. I'm happy to be here. This is my first day. I'm excited to learn. Could you help me? Thank you for your help. I understand. I have a question. Could you say that again? That sounds great. I'm ready to start. Excellent. You're sounding more natural already. Pronunciation practice. Let's practice some words that many English learners find difficult. Comfortable. Native speakers often say, comfortable. Repeat. Comfortable? Example, I feel comfortable. Probably. Repeat. Probably. Example, I'll probably finish today. Opportunity. Repeat slowly. Opportunity. Example, this is a great opportunity. Fantastic. Before we continue, you're doing an amazing job. Here's a challenge. Can you answer my next questions without reading anything? Let's find out. Question 1. What's your name? Say it out loud. Great. Question 2. Is today your first day at work? Answer using a full sentence. Excellent. Question 3. How do you feel today? Maybe you can say, I'm excited. I'm a little nervous. I feel confident. Wonderful. If you answered those questions, you're already speaking real English. Now we're going to make it even more interesting. In the next section, you'll practice speaking longer sentences, learn more natural American English, and complete a fun speaking challenge that will help you sound more confident than ever. Let's keep going.